Hi guys, I hope you are all fine. Today, I guide you how to improve your edit video. This is a simple video. If you not hear song now, go to firstly hear sound. Otherwise you mistake in your video. Split the clip. Go to transition. Select superimpose. Click the second split part. Select superimpose. Now go to third base part split. Split. Now go to transition. Select superimpose. Select fourth base part. Split. Select superimpose. Split the sound part. Select superimpose. Go to video effects. Go to nightclub. Select black flesh. Adjust a new video. Now go to animation. Go to combo. Select zoom to. Click the second part. Go to animation. Select combo. Select zoom to. Every part do this same. Now go to video effects. Go to opening and closing. Select diamond zoom. Adjust in the split part. Copy every split area. Go to video effects. Go to nightclub. Select vibration flesh. Adjust in the split area. Go to adjust. Intensity, glow and rangeful. Copy vibration flesh and adjust in the split areas. Go to video effects. Select astral. Adjust in the split areas. Copy and paste split areas. Click the split transition. Select black fade. Go every split or select black fade. Now done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.